Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to solve LeetCode question number 326, which is the power of 3. This is a classical math problem often asked in a coding interview question. So let's get started. The problem statement says we given an integer n return true if it's a power of 3, otherwise return false. An integer n is a power of 3 if there exists an integer x such that n is equal to 3 power x. So let's take an example. N is equal to 37. Output is true because 27 is equal to 3 power 3 is equal to 27. So output is true. Let's take a second example. We input n is equal to 0, so output is false because there is no x where 3 power x is equal to 0. So let's take a third example. N is equal to -1, so output is false because x where 3 power x is equal to -1. So there is no x where 3 power x is equal to -1. So our idea is to solve this question is very simple because their idea is called loop division approach. First we check if n less than or equal to 0, so it cannot be power of 3, so we return false. After that, while inside the while loop n is divisible by 3, so keep divide n by 3. In the end, n becomes exactly 1. So that isn't power of 3. Otherwise, it's a not. So inside that while loop, uh, we divide n by 3. After that, n becomes n is equal to 1. So it is a power of 3. Otherwise, it's not. This works because power of 3 reduced perfectly to 1 after repeating division by 3. So let's write the code. First of all, we read if condition. Inside it we return n less than equal to 0, so we return false. After that, we declare a while loop. Inside this while loop, n modulo 3 is equal to 0. So we divide n by 3. Repeating, we divide n by 3. So otherwise, after that, we return n is equal to 1. So it is a power of 3. So that's it for the code. We run the code. So as you can see, every test case is passed and our code is successfully run. The time complexity of is order of log n because we are dividing by 3 repeatedly, and space complexity of this code is order of 1 because there is no such an extra space used in this code. So that's it for the video. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.